Hey, it's Jason down here at Olympia Fireplace and Spa, here to talk to you about Green Mountain Pellet Smokers. These barbecues are great grillers, lots of space in here to barbecue, and not only barbecuing, because of the pellet smoke, we can smoke anything that we're cooking on. The great thing about this barbecue is it does come with a Wi-Fi option, so we can control that barbecue with any smartphone. So on those weekends when you're busy in the backyard doing other things, you can still have the opportunity to barbecue with that great Wi-Fi capability. Yeah. It uses pellets to heat and smoke your food. Yeah.